What's up, you guys? Welcome back. I'm that guy with guns, and in this video we're going to talk about the P80 G26 and how it performed out at the range. Alright guys, before we get started, let's go ahead and safety check. Nothing the mag well, not the chamber. I want to start off by giving Holosun and Primary Arms a huge shout out for coming out with such an awesome optic. This is the Holosun 507C-X2 with that ACSS reticle. This optic by far is my favorite to shoot with so far. Using that huge outer ring really helps you pick up your center dot. It's good for fast acquisition and fast follow-up shots. It's great for beginners and pretty much any shooter really. You can find these anywhere from $269 to $329 from what I've seen online. I picked mine up for $278.99 shipped from Kenzie's Optic using code KZ10. I'm not sure if it's still active, but you can go ahead and try. Yeah, I mean, this optic, if you haven't shot with it, go out, find one, buy one, borrow one from a friend, shoot a friend's gun. If you live in the Chicago area, hit me up. We can go to the range. I'll let you guys take this P80 out for, for a range trip. Now, as far as the range trip goes, it went pretty much exactly as expected. The first couple hundred rounds, I was getting failures to feed and failures to eject. But I did see online a bunch of people saying it has its break-in period, because right around the 200, and I shot about 100, 150 more after that, it started running flawlessly. I mean, I had no failures to feed, no failures to eject. But prior to that, I do want to say that I did have two occasions where the slide lock locked itself back on its own. I think I did it accidentally once using my thumb, when I was shooting. But I know for sure once after I shot, it cycled and it just got stuck. It didn't go back forward. I didn't get footage of that, unfortunately, because I was shooting from the other side, but I think it has a lot to do with this flimsy slide lock I have on here. So I'm gonna go ahead and order a new one. I'm thinking the Vickers, since that's what I have on my G23. But let me know what you guys are running. What do you guys recommend? Leave them in the comments below. And while you're down there, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget that bell notification, because I'm already filming the new video coming out. It's gonna be on my 16-inch AR-15 I have back here. It's gonna be a little in-depth review of what I have, what I have put on it, and why. Now, as far as the P80 range trip goes, I did shoot Federal Premium 115 grain and Freedom Munitions remanufactured 115 grain through PMags and OEM Glock mags. I didn't see an issue after the initial couple hundred rounds with either mag. They both ran great. They both locked back on empty. I did have to sight in my iron sights first. They are the Ameriglow suppressor height sights. The back I needed to shift a little bit to the left. The front was good where it was. The dot, right out of the box, I want to say it was pretty much centered. I just shifted up, I think 2 clicks, and it was dead on at 25 yards. That's the furthest that my range goes. That was Article 2. On a side note, if you are trying to carry this on a daily basis, I would highly recommend you run as many rounds as you can through this, just to get it, broken in properly. Make sure everything cycles. Throw in whatever carry ammo you're deciding on carrying. Make sure it functions properly, it cycles, it holds back on empty, you got no hiccups. Just please go out and shoot as many rounds as you can. I do have footage of me shooting this at the range at the end of this video. It's about 6 minutes long, pretty much just showing you guys the hiccups I was having. But with all that being said, would I recommend you guys go out and buy a P80? Yeah, go out, buy yourself a P80 lower. Just take your time drilling out these holes and smoothing out the surfaces. Make sure your slide is able to slide freely, no hiccups. And then go out to the range. Like I said, I can't stress it enough, guys. Shoot as many rounds as you can through it. I know ammo is a little more expensive to get, but it's more readily available. Especially if you're carrying it, it's worth the price. Just go out and shoot as much as you can. Alright, you guys, so that's all I have on this P80 build. If you guys have any other questions or comments, please leave them down in the comment section below. Like I said, this was a very quick video. Just pretty much recapping on how my range trip went. I will be taking this out again on another range trip. I have a minus connector and a 3.5 pound trigger spring that I found that I'm gonna toss in here and see how that shoots. And don't forget to hit that like button down there if you guys are liking the content of my videos. I have quite a few videos coming out. I have quite a few guns I want to show you guys. But yeah, this was fun, guys. I hope to see you guys in the next video. That guy with guns.